Hey guys, welcome to Option Trade Analysis Tools video series. This is part 2 of this video series. In this we see screening and filtering features available on these three tools. So how do we screen which strikes to be chosen for trading or which stock to be chosen for trading, especially option chain analysis, different implied volatility analysis and liquidity results and so on. So let's get into the tools right away. First, let's look at OptionsOracle. So if I want Nifty, I just go and type Nifty and just I have to wait for a couple of moments to get the latest data, and I can also click this no auto button that refreshes once in 15 minutes automatically, or manually whenever I want I can refresh it. And these are the filtering options. You can see the monthly option, weekly options available, and until next 2 months you will get the expiry date filtering options. And then you additionally, which is not available in other tools, or like this ITM options or ATM or OTM, you can select which one you want. If you want only OTM options, you can filter that very well. You can see the open interest levels, change in OIs, and a short or a quick analysis of OI, whether it's a short build-up or a long build-up and so on. The quick analysis is available here, and you can show or hide all the option Greeks here. So you can very well see it here, and you can decide which strikes based on the option Greek values. And in addition to that, you can see it here, the special features which is not available in other tools. Or one is this strike standard deviation. Is it one time standard deviation or more than that? Say, for example, if you take this, this is 1.64 times standard deviation from the spot price. So similarly, there is a ask versus bid spread is also available. So you can see the liquidity condition of that particular strike. So you can see ask and bid price ratios very close, and then days to expiry is also there. So in addition to that, you can also make your own customized indicators using this config window. You can go to this configuration window and then go to this indicators. So you can create your own indicator with the small JavaScript formulas. So there are some help files available how to do it. You can use that. And yeah, that's about this filtering features. And in addition to that, you will get the data of put call ratio, that is PCR. And you can very well navigate the screens and try to understand yourself. And option pane also is available, so you can see, you can zoom it, and you can bring it back, change the colors and so on. So the basic filtering options are available in this tool within one single window. That's one good thing when compared to other tools. What is not available in this tool compared to other tool is this IV rank or IV graph. IV graph is available, but as part of analysis, I will cover it in the next chapter. And then the liquidity level of the stock or a script, and the result dates and so on. Those things are not available. And one thing I forgot, there is a ITM probability is also available. By using this particular parameter also, you can filter your strikes. Then one additional good feature which is not available in other tools with respect to the screening or filtering is this wizards. Wizards will help you to filter out based on various conditions. You can select next. You can choose which type of or which particular strategy you are going to execute. If you are executing a short straddle, it will straight away give you the conditions of your strikes. It both should be equal. Strike A and B should be same. One should be in put and one should be in call, and it should fall under the same expiration. For beginners, this information would be very helpful. So then if you click next, then you will have a lot of further filtering. You can filter the OI based filtering, again strike price based filtering, volatility based filtering. They have configuration option to choose which implied volatility you want. Whether you want a historical one, or you want a stock implied volatility, or the ratio. So you can choose with respect to that. Similarly, how much profit and loss you want, and the expected rate of return, and the indicators which I just showed you a couple of seconds before, the customized indicators. You can choose those indicators to filter your stock, and then you can download, and then once download complete, you can click on analyze, then it will give you final results. From there you can see here start analysis, and then you can filter out and then save this wizard as a tool, and whenever you want it again you can come and run it again. See, it had filtered down so many things, and the selected options also available. Now you can save this wizard, and you can recall it anytime. Just run this wizard and then get your results. You do not have to filter it again and again. You can save this wizard and then bring it back, right? So these are the filtering options available in this tool. You can the good thing, or just to summarize, I would say all the filtering options are available in this tool in one single window. That's really a good thing, but it is missing certain things such as IV percentile, IV rank, IV graph, and liquidity condition of a script, and results data. So those things are missing in this. Yep. Let's move on to the Opstra strategy builder. So let's see. So you can see this is once you go to the options and strategy builder, you will come to this main screen. The basic information is already available for you. So once you click on this option chain, so you will get filtering based on the expiry date, which we had seen already available in OptionsOracle also. So you have all the data, ITM probability is there, the delta is there. So go to another view where you will get all open interest. Yeah, let it open. Yeah, you can see the open interest in a graphical view. This is available for free, and also the change in OA available in graphical representation. And they have one new thing, or one interesting thing called open interest tussle, and they do have max pain and PCR. Everything is available here. So that's available in this window about open interest analysis. Then if we move on to this options dashboard, so here is a further filtering what I have been talking about, which is missing in OptionsOracle. That is about the results. You can filter based on the upcoming result, or you can filter based on the liquidity level of a particular script, and then price, change in price, IV. This is a good thing. You can filter it based on the IV. So high IV items, so you can list it down. Similarly, you can filter it based on IV change, IV rank, IV percentile. So all these filtering options are very well available. This is really a good thing compared to OptionsOracle. So then another filtering option is available in this option chain window, where you will also get to know this option Greeks. So almost all filtering options are available. Fine. So let's move on to the next one, that is Sensibull. So Sensibull in dashboard, you can see straight away we go into this option chain. So in option chain window, you will get the complete option chain as what you see it in NSE option chain, something similar to that. And you can see the Greeks view also very well directly here. And the IV chart is only available in paid version, and then analyze OI is also opening up. Let's see whether they give yes. So this is quite interesting. So you can see a good graphical representation of OI change intraday as well as intraday. That is the really nice feature. In intraday OI change also you can see it. And then PCR, you can see it here, the PCR together with the futures open interest also. This is one interesting thing. You can see futures OA and put call ratio also you can compare in a graphical format. So this also gives further information to decide your filtering or screening methods. And in addition to that, it also gives this multi-strike OI. So you can choose multiple strikes in a single graph and compare to take your own decisions. And also you can also see the intraday chart, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So that's a really nice feature in Sensibull. But the challenge here is, for example, if I go to screener, we have screening based on future price, at the money, IV, change in IV percentile, PCR, max buy and everything, but it is limited again. So you have to log in to see the complete the screening list. So what I do now is I just use my the paid login ID, and then we view all other features related to this filtering or screening options, right? Now I just logged in with my paid login ID, and now if I go to screener, I can see I can get a list of all the stocks. Here I can filter it based on IV percentile, IV change in IV. So that way it gives a nice filtering options, and in addition to that, different OA actions, long build up, short covering, long unwind, short build up. So many nice features are available to filter it quite quickly. But only thing is, all are available in either in 7 days free trial or in a paid version. So in addition to that, what we can see is this IV chart. IV chart is available in this in the paid version. So that's about the filtering and screening features available in this Sensibull. And yeah, let's move on to the next topic, that is the important topic, this strategy builder. Strategy builder comparison is available in part 3 of this video series. Link to all parts of this video series is given in description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.